Welcome to Keep It Simple with Grandma. My name is Anita. So what I'll be sharing are simple shortcuts and semi-homemade ideas. I love to cook and bake and host people in our home, and I love any excuse for a party. I've learned a lot of things over the years that help cut down on the time and to make those things a little easier. I just want to let you know that I don't claim to be a master chef or even the best cook, but I do have a lot of information to share. We'll be doing a lot of our favorite recipes, new recipes, and a lot of cooking and baking techniques that will help you to understand why certain things work the way they do. So, like I said, I'm not claiming to be a professional, but I do cook with love, and I want to share a lot of the stuff that I've learned with you. And I'll be having our family and friends join in sometimes. So that will be fun. And I look forward to some of your ideas, simple shortcuts that you may have learned over the years. And we'll just have a great time together. So come back again. See you soon.
Lovers really fall in love to stay. We'll stand beside each other, come one man. Was a promise really something people kept, not just something they would say?